How to remove a tick head from a dog's skin.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very common problem for pet owners: how to remove a tick head from a dog's skin. This process can be a bit tricky, but it's important for the health and comfort of your beloved pet. Remember, it's crucial to remove the tick head because leaving it embedded can lead to infection.
What do you need?
First things first, you'll need a few supplies to do this safely and effectively. These include 1. A pair of fine-tipped tweezers. 2. Rubbing alcohol or iodine. 3. Soap and warm water. 4. A small container or Ziploc bag. 5. Gloves.
How do you prepare?
Before you start, make sure you wear gloves to prevent any potential disease transmission from the tick to you. Then, clean the tweezers with rubbing alcohol or iodine to sterilize them. Also, prepare soapy water to wash the area once the tick is removed.
How to remove the tick.
Now we are at the most crucial part of the process. 1. Hold your dog calmly and comfortably. Ensure your pet is relaxed and still to avoid any injuries. 2. Locate the tick head embedded in the skin. Part your dog's fur if necessary. 3. Using the fine-tipped tweezers, grasp the tick as close to your dog's skin as possible. Be careful not to squeeze the body of the tick, as this can force harmful bacteria into your dog's bloodstream. 4. Once you have a firm grip, pull straight up with steady, even pressure. Do not twist or jerk, as this might leave parts of the tick's mouth in the skin. 5. If the tick comes out whole, great. If not, use the tweezers to remove any remaining parts of the tick's head or mouth. 6. Once the tick is removed, place it in the small container or Ziploc bag. This is to keep the tick for identification or testing, if needed.
Aftercare.
After the tick is removed, 1. Clean the area with soap and warm water, then disinfect with rubbing alcohol or iodine. 2. Monitor the area for the next few days for signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or pus. If these signs are present, seek veterinary advice. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a tick head from your dog's skin. Remember, the key is to be gentle and patient to avoid causing any unnecessary harm to your pet. If you're ever unsure or uncomfortable performing this procedure, don't hesitate to seek professional help from your vet. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.